Okay, we have these world famous ramen. Ooh, don't make a mess. From Dirty Grinders. Oops. Dirty Grinders. He said that he got an award, beat out the Asians for this. So he was very proud of this ramen dish from Dirty Grinders. And it looks good. It's got beef wagyu, the noodles, some queso, cilantro, picadillo. Dang, that is good. Oh, it's still hot. Okay, now y'all know I gotta give little to Tater. He's the official Well, what do you rate it? He rates it delicious. Okay, next one, we got jerk chicken from Jammin' Jamaican. Ooh, yum. With coconut rice and the sweet potato salad. And I actually was originally going to get the curry chicken, but they were out. This is not the first time that I had them. They're always consistent, always good. The coconut rice is always good. I don't know if I've had their potato salad before. That's good. It's a little different, and I like it. Oh, this chicken. Trying not to make a mess. Very good. Spicy. So good. Okay, signing off for the night.